How do you use the new objectives sheet? You are going to come up with new business objectives for your business that align with your recommended business strategy and make the most of your available resources and business capabilities. Start by coming up with your business objectives or business goals. Base them on your findings about your industry, the needs of your target market, your available resources and capabilities, and your recommended business strategy. Besides that, you also need to align those objectives with the perspectives listed on the top right table in your sheet. These perspectives are points of view that will help you balance your objectives so they are not focused on financial outcomes only, but on other areas that can help you become successful as well. Start by listing any objectives you want to accomplish and select their corresponding perspective. After you are done listing them and categorizing them, you can evaluate them using our Imago framework. Evaluate them by answering if they are actionable, measurable, ongoing, and cancel other objectives. You have 20 empty rows to add new objectives. Don't worry about filling all of them up. The recommended number of objectives per perspective is between 1 and 5. Go ahead and give it a try. If you feel stuck at any time, reach out to your consultant for help.